Hello, everybody. Welcome to Tuesday. The S&P 500 was down about 0.3% today. Actually started out up in the morning because we had report from Target before the market opened. They did really well on their earnings report. They beat on revenues, earnings, same-store sales. They've had a couple bad quarters, so maybe the expectations were lower than they might have been, but they kind of jumped over that hurdle quite nicely. Actually, shows again altogether. If you look at what happened in January with the hot jobs report, the really high retail sales, a Walmart, Target, all of these companies are reporting the consumers been spending a lot in January, combined with some of the higher, reports that we've seen for inflation. Those kind of go together. And so really all of February has been about looking at what has been happening in January. And again, if you're worried about a recession, those numbers look really good. If you're worried about higher inflation, that's what's scaring people. So we ironically flipped from worrying about recession at the end of last year to now worrying about more recession. We got another piece of news today from both Spain and France had higher than expected inflation. So it's not just here in the U.S. Things are kind of perking up. So again, expectations now, at the beginning of the month, we were thinking maybe the market for the Fed rates increase was going to be 5% max. Now it's 5.4%, the expectation, and we're seeing the T-bills and treasury bonds, increase in yields and such to reflect that. Stock market's down maybe about 2% roughly on the S&P 500 for the month. Not a terrible month, but, we'll see how that plays out. Are we just, kind of taking a rest from that fantastic January that we had, and then we're going to continue back up, or are we going to, continue back down and maybe set up a new low? So we're at this point of inflection right now within the market. So we'll see how that plays out. So anyway, good day to talk about this, and to take a look at what's happening. Look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.